Okay, it's officially move-in day, which is very exciting. It's Sunday and we leave Tampa with the trailer heading to North Carolina on Friday. So we don't want to have to pack during the week because we have a lot of work to do. So today we're moving all of our clothes in, some of the kitchen stuff in, some of the office stuff in. We may need to go run some errands because I know we might need some extra storage things, bins, drawers, etc. So yeah, taking you guys along. Most of my things are in. Dylan's also already gotten ahead of me. I had to take Mojo on a walk. So he put his stuff away earlier today. This is most of my things in these hangers, this bag, and that duffel. And then out here, this whole large Tupperware bin is winter clothes mostly, and jeans. So that'll be stored somewhere not as accessible because it's obviously summer. Ow. All of this stuff is gonna be stored in the bedroom though. So some will go in the walk-in closet, some will go in here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Dylan and I are sharing this closet, and then we each have our own like small ones. This will put in stuff that we don't wear like all the time. So I'll see what I'm able to fit. Because Dylan has used up a lot of it.
What?
You just used up a lot of the closet, my dude.
I told you gotta squish it. It's half of it.
Okay. Okay, jeans, pants are gonna go in here too. I definitely don't need these right now. It is so hot here, it's insane. Okay, so there's also another compartment under the bed. Dylan and I will each get 2 of these bins. It actually came with the trailer, which is great. So I'm thinking one bin, I'm gonna put like cozy sweaters and sweatshirts. And then the other one, I'll just put probably all of my workout gear and then like extra shirts that I didn't put in the closet. Okay, so these are the bins filled up. This one is all like my sweaters and stuff like I was saying. And what I did was I actually rolled them and faced them up like this way so that I can see all of them. This one's not actually all the way full yet, which I'm kind of surprised about. But I think I do have a few more things at home that I need to go get. But this side is my workout clothes, and then this side are just like extra tank tops and small things I didn't need to hang up. Still have like that much left. So a little extra room there. I'm just gonna put these under here now. These are Dylan's. And then mine fit perfectly right on this side. All right, perfect. These are our bins, Dylan's, mine. And you can lift up this to get easy access. So you do that, and there they are. Okay, so next order of business is I ordered this shoe rack that's gonna lay or hang here just to free up some floor space. Pretty sure it's gonna fit, but we're gonna try it out real quick.
Oh, just perfect.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna test out this bad boy because when we close it, it's gonna push up against the clothes. But we're in a tight space. We gotta deal with what we got, you know? So, okay. So I'll like put them in a center one so we can try. Okay. I'd say it works. That's so great. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if these kind of works. These fit. Of course, all my shoes are huge. It's working. All right, cool. I think somebody likes our freshly made bed. So we decided to be bougie, or really Dylan convinced me, but it was totally worth it now that we're on it, to replace the mattress we got with the trailer and get this Tempur-Pedic memory foam. Was it 10 inches?
It's 8 inches.
8 inches, 8 inches. And it's really comfy.
It's really comfy.
Yay. Maya. Hi, buddy. Can't complain. Also, I know I haven't done a full tour yet of the renovation, but you can kind of see it, and I'm obsessed. We're doing a full tour once we kind of move everything in and decorate it and everything so that you can get the full effect. But yeah, you can kind of see what we've done and what it looks like with all of the paint. Still doing the finishing touches, but that video will be coming either next week or the week after. Whoa. Right now it decides to freaking rain out. And naturally the second we're done it stops raining. Oh yes, Dylan is very excited about this. Woo!
From our past experience, this has worked well in our other trailers.
Yeah, magnetic knife rack. Highly recommend. They do not budge when the trailer is moving, if you're wondering. I'm pretty sure these were bins that I'm planning on putting above the desk. Alright, so 4 of these like easily fit. I'm sure we'll find homes for lots of things up here, just not sure what yet. And then I think my original thought for this second one of the bin I just used under the desk was to put in a bathroom. Oh, perfect. Oh wait, nope, not perfect. First of all, pro tip, before you get in things, don't just measure it from wall to wall. Measure it from the cabinet opening, because I've been having issues getting in. But look, this is the hack, okay? I turned it upside down, you push it in.
It's a hack.
It's my hack, yes.
It's just a difficulty.
It works though, everywhere else doesn't work. Boom.
Demonstrate taking that out easily. Oh, but what about when there's things inside of it, Crosby?
This is fixable, right? No.
Yeah, we get different sizes. It's okay. It's another trip for we to go on.
You get to go. You didn't come with me last time and it took forever. Guys, it took me like 2 hours. It was so annoying. The line was so long and I was dying. We don't need to return this though. I'm sure we can find a home for it. We should get no, actually, you know what we should do? We should get a flexible bin for in here. That's the vibes. Get like a bin.
That's the vibes.
A bin? Do you know what I mean? Like a cloth bin. That's like
Collapsible.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Flexible. Boom. Okay.
Did you? Is this one of those things where you measured the wrong thing?
I didn't measure the closet. This is gonna require some geometry on my part. I don't know if that's the right term, but I'm gonna try and fit this into the closet and it looks very not promising.
Or are you attempting?
I'm attempting.
Yeah, if I attempt and I fail, then it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. This fits in, it's never coming out. I don't think it's gonna fit, Dylan.
It's not.
No! It took up so much room in my cart. No, that's so not gonna work. Oh my god, are you joking? I don't wanna go back to Walmart. It's not even close.
You gotta remember, we're in tiny size area.
So shocker, we are running late. There's so much to do. We're supposed to leave in like 2 hours so we can get to our harvest hose on time. I'm so stressed. We need to bring all of our bedding to the car, all of Dylan's shoes. So this will be interesting. Oh my god. This is not organized at all yet. That's gonna be happening later. I can't even explain to you how hot it is. Like trailer roasting in the sun in Florida at like the hottest part of the day. We're almost done though. Just putting some final things away, making sure nothing crashes around while we're driving, and then we'll be ready to go. We'll organize some more when we get to our campsite tonight. Getting ready to go. It's 8,000 degrees.
I'm gonna put that in the truck.
Yeah! You excited?
Yes. It's so hot.
Dylan's like, shut up. Can you give me my backpack? I'm gonna make us some liquid IV. How does that sound?
It's perfect.
Our favorite. It's a new flavor, acai berry.
Oh, that looks so good. I want one.
Got you.
I want 2. That's what I want.
I'll see what I can do about that. Oh my god. Yummy.
Good. Very short.
Bye! I love you!
See ya in a week.
Bye, Maya! Bye! Woohoo! Oh my god. That looks insane. That's gonna be fun to drive through. So we've been on a lot of back roads lately, and there have been lots of railroads that come out of nowhere, and we try to slow down as soon as possible, but 2 of them were pretty rough. We're about 6 minutes out, and we're going to assess the damage of the monitors, the mirror, the computer, the Xbox. So little nervous. We're bracing for the worst. We're here. I have some other trailer friends.
Right in there.
In between these trees here, or this slot right here?
Right down through here.
I see it.
And then you can see, you can see water and electric right there.
Perfect.
Okay?
Oh, perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You be here more than one night, or
Just
Just
tonight.
one night.
tonight?
Yeah.
It's beautiful here.
It's stunning.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you found. I just mowed up front too to make sure you'd see the drive out there.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
you.
The hosts are always so nice. We've upgraded instead of our usual wood from last time.
We do need to buy more though.
Yeah. Oh god, moment of truth.
Yeah, my Xbox is on the ground.
It's on the ground, are you serious?
Yeah, my computer's on the ground.
Okay, let's go in.
No, hold on.
So far, not so good.
Oh boy. Knives are still on.
Okay. The chair thing worked. This fell. Oh gosh. Computer fell. And the keyboard. Xbox 2. Is it okay?
I don't know. TV's on the wall.
What?
TV's on the wall.
Oh my god, yeah, that's the other thing. We just mounted the TV. So this was a test as well. But yeah, it's up and mirror's up too. Boom! What am I doing?
AC.
AC! Well, we have another fallen soldier. At least it's not broken. Fell all the way out of this. I don't know how that happened. Feels pretty secure to me. Okay, maybe it just wasn't super tight. Well, if you guys would have watched my last video, you would know that we had a whole contraption set to hold these in place. So the monitors are safe and snug. We just need to take better care of the Xbox and the computer. Is it broken?
I don't want you to record this. I'm gonna be so surprised if this works. Nope.
Really?
It might just be that,
Okay.
which is a good thing.
Yeah.
I can't believe that.
I know.
Last thing I need to make sure that's okay is this. Okay.
Yeah!
It works.
We're officially the luckiest rookies on the road. We did not make this many mistakes on our first trip. I'm chalking it up to, it's a bigger trailer, we have more gear in here, and we were also in kind of a big rush earlier. May or may not have gotten into a fight in the car about who was the most stressed, but see, John? It's all good. Our host is so sweet. He got us carrots to go feed the horses. He's coming right up. Ew.
Here, hold this.
She slobbered all over my hand.
Here you go. Yeah, bite that.
Yeah. We're gonna go give the other guy a chance because, oh, she's coming. He was telling me she's the alpha, so she likes to take the carrots from the other horses. Only downside is it's a little buggy. Also, it's gonna rain, I think, soon, which I'm kind of into. Thundering a little, so we're gonna head inside. I'm gonna keep tidying. I'm gonna make some dinner, which should be interesting because we're not fully moved in yet. So I don't know if I have everything, but we'll see. So my mom, who's up in North Carolina, forgot to stop her Green Chef order. So we went and found that at the house. So we're gonna be making some apricot, no, we're not making this one. We're making blackened cauliflower bowls. I'm very excited. It does call for oven, but we don't have any pans yet. So we're gonna be doing that on the cast iron. But yeah, thank God she forgot because we haven't even turned on our fridge yet because we're trying to conserve battery power, which by the way, we are gonna get some solar panels and another battery because our battery keeps running low. Yeah, anyways, fridge is not on. So we have this cooler and I put 2 of the Green Chefs in there. Hey, nope. This one. Yes, blackened cauliflower. So, didn't think ahead very well. We don't have cooking oil. We don't have salt or pepper. However, the solution to the no oven pan situation is we're gonna put it in the cast iron pan and put that in the oven. What's wrong? Oh no! That's so annoying.
A little bit of a problem here. Our paint's already scuffed in the bathroom door. But that's why we brought extra paint with us, because there's scuffs all over the place that we need to fix. We're just having just raw food, aren't we?
We're off to a little bit of a rough start, but that's okay. Rookies on the road, season 2.
We're starting off strong.
Starting off strong. We're literally not moved in. Like, we're not ready. This is the only night we're gonna be in the trailer for the next like 2 weeks. Don't come for me, okay? We're having a family vacation at the cabin like we do every year. Then we're gonna be full time. This is just where we're staying on the way. And then we're parking the RV nearby. So we'll be getting the trailer ready, like fully ready, over the next few weeks. First dinner in the trailer, yay! Are they both traveling with us from now on?
Yes. We'll have new dedicated spots.
Perfect. Good morning. I had no intention of this video being as chaotic as it was, but this is literally just the reality. But it was really nice to wake up on this farm. It's beautiful. It's a little muggy and buggy, but oh my gosh, bug. But that's still because we're in southern Georgia in the middle of summer. We are heading to North Carolina today to my family's cabin, like right outside of Asheville. If you guys have seen, I've posted some YouTube videos from there before. It's one of my favorite places ever. Apparently it's so nice. So we're going there today. It's about a 7-hour drive from here. So we're trying to head out by 9 because we need to be there by dinner. We're going to dinner in Johnson City, Tennessee, I think. So that's exciting. By the way, we're staying here through Harvest Host. I don't know if I mentioned that. It was like our favorite part of RV life last time was going to Harvest Host. So we're at a Harvest Host. Usually you have to boondock, but some hosts will have option to hook up to electric and or water. So I think we're paying like 30 bucks to hook up, which is great because we need to have electric for the AC, and it was like 85 degrees last night. And yeah, you get to wake up in beautiful farms or wineries or breweries, so it's great. First night in the trailer, it was chaotic, but we did it. And now we have a massive list of things that we need to get.
And a long drive.
And that too.